Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm talking about the NetTalk EzlinQ review, and it's an upgrade from my old NetTalk device. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos, and really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, so this NetTalk EzlinQ is a newer product that they're replacing the Duo, and they're offering to many customers, including existing customers, mini Wi-Fi router with voice over IP. So that's all in one box now. It's not separated into different parts like the other one I have in the background. The Duo, which has a different power supply part of it, and you got the cable, and all those other stuff. This one you do need the NetTalk app, iOS and Android device, probably to surf the web, internet service, and handset phone. So internet service like a DSL or cable. That's what it is. 3-month manufacturer warranty. There's also other things that you could add with this device. Say you want international calling to other countries, transfer your existing phone number, secondary phone number, voicemail, spam call filter, call blocking, just to name of some. And you probably want to check with NetTalk on this. How much per month? Check with NetTalk because they changes the price over time. And NetTalk EzlinQ have multiple operating modes: wireless router, client, repeater, SS mode, and bridge mode. So a little bit on the device itself, crystal clear calls. That's what they claim, and it's true actually because I switched over and did a comparison, and it's a lot more clear. Unfortunately, I couldn't record that. And Wi-Fi range and create an access point. All right, what's included? You got the device, you got the Ethernet cable, and the phone cable. You won't be using all the ports here. In my case, only use a few of them. I found some workarounds, and I'll share that to you as a tip. So, everything in one box. Initially, I thought this box would be really big, but it's not. So it doesn't take a lot of space as well. Crystal clear calls. All right. So that's the thing I decided to take the chance on, and it met my expectations. So I'm doing a video on it. So it just comes in this box. Notice the power is at the bottom over there. Just plug it in, the outlet, or I have an extension cord that plugs in the UPS. So the power goes out, I still have network, my phone's network. The blue one goes to internet, which I connect to my home router. So you could do that as well. Simple as that. The home router could be connected to DSL or cable. So you got the phone connection right here with the phone. So the phone part, you could connect directly to the phone. Your device has a unique MAC address. It's your device ID only for yours. Of course, I covered that part up because I don't want mine to be floating around the internet when I do this video. But when you get your device, it's all pre-configured by NetTalk. And certain cases may differ as well too. So I'm an existing customer. I've been a NetTalk customer for quite a while. And pros and cons about this product: it does cost some money to buy it and change it out, but the setup is very simple. That's the pro, and it seems to work great. There's a little setup involved as plugging the cables and make sure the phone comes up. It takes some time before the light turns blue. I think it took me like 3 to 5 minutes or so for everything to sync and register. If you take the phone line, it's all wired in your house or your apartment. You could connect another line to it and use it as a fax line as well too. You're not using the phone part, you can use it to fax. So that's how you do it. And if you have everything connected together, you can pick up the phone in a different room or something, then all your phones are still linked together like as if it was a landline. Overall, I've been trying this thing out for over 2 months already. Haven't had any major issues with it. I didn't reboot it after the second time. First time I set it up, I did reboot it. So if you have your line on, the light will start blinking. All right, so you notice that there's a little blink to it. Once you plug it in, there's a different color until it turns blue. So you want this to turn blue before you could use it for the LED over there. So overall, setup is not hard at all. Everything's all in one box. The older model used to have the problem with the the power cable or something. You know, if you shake it a little, you lose connection. You move it a little, you lose connection. But this one's more solid overall, and that, I think that's a big pro for this new replacement product. And voice over IP in the box type of thing. There's also E911 as well too. You want to check NetTalk's website because they ask for your address and contact information. And that's pretty much it. If you have something to share on this NetTalk EzlinQ, please post it below to help others. Hopefully this helps you save some money, and also at the same time gives you better call quality than previously. There are other features like I mentioned that you could actually add with this NetTalk EzlinQ. You kind of contact NetTalk on that, and they do support, I think, through email mostly, that I noticed in the past. Keep that in mind. And try it out. Let me know. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.